Let's get into it. Now, if you are a tattoo artist and all you're doing is posting to Instagram, that's more than likely why your business is not growing. There are so many different apps these days. If you're not getting in front of all these different platforms, you're basically invisible. So I'm gonna break down the steps on how to turn that around. All right, so the first thing you wanna do is get visible. You need to be able to get in front of as much eyes as possible. So this is you, your brand, your business, and this is going to be what we call your ecosystem. Now, clearly there's a lot more than this, but right now we're just going to use Facebook, Pinterest, you got Lemons, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, right? So you want to get visible on all these platforms. If you don't have them now, go ahead and download them, create an account. It's completely free and it helps you get reach. The more people you get in front of, the more bookings you'll make. Okay, now the second thing you want to do is pick one of these to be your main hub, your main page, whatever you want to call it. So you want this one page to basically have everything on it, like your booking link. It'll be your website, whatever you choose to do with it. You want to pick one of these to be your main place where everybody is redirected to. So let's just say we're going to go with Instagram. So IG is going to be your main page. So once you figure out where you want to drive everyone to, it'll be easier to kind of build that platform and just kind of have all of these linked to that one platform, which brings us to number 3, link in bio. So now basically what you want to do, how you get all of these eyes to drive to one page is you're going to put your link for your IG on all of these platforms. So every single platform is going to have IG in the bio. So IG in the bio, IG in the bio, IG in the bio, so forth and so on. So you're basically linking all of these pages to your main page, your brand page. And on this page, you're gonna have your best work, your brand, who you are, what you do, your booking link, because that's where you want everybody to be redirected to. You want to drive all of the traffic and all of the eyes from all these other platforms to that one platform, which is going to be your main page. So how you do that, like I said, you're going to put the link in your bio of all of these pages. Now, which brings us to step 4. Step 4, you're just going to post, repeat, and you're going to grow. What you can do is even set up your content where you create it on a calendar and you post 3 to 5 times a week. And what you're going to be posting, you got your reels, stories, pictures, even your life. You know, show people who you are and what you're about, because you're building a community here. This is your ecosystem. If you post something on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, somebody's gonna look at it and be like, oh my God, this is such an amazing tattoo, or this is such an amazing post. I'm gonna go to the link in the bio, because that's what people are gonna do. They want to see more of you. They're gonna see a link in your bio to your main page, and once they get on your main page, then they can see everything. They can see who you are, what you're about, your best work, and that's how you're gonna grow your page. This is how you're gonna get booked out. This is how you're gonna get more eyes on your brand, on your work, whatever that may be. This is the step-by-step that you're gonna follow in order to grow your page. Now, at the end of the day, we want our work to be seen. We want to grow our business. So you don't want to limit yourself to only one platform. If you're doing this now, you have more than enough time to go ahead and download these and start your business, because you may be on IG and let's say you have 2,000 followers, but your audience is more than likely on TikTok. You might be able to post a tattoo, that one of your best works, you might be able to post that on TikTok and that go viral on TikTok. You don't know which one of these platforms really has your community, but not everybody is on one platform. So you want to get eyes from everywhere and you want to redirect them back to your main page. You don't want to be doing business on every single page. That's just a lot of work. You're going to get burnt out doing that. So like I said, you make your post. You're going to post to all of these. You're going to use the same content and post it to each one of these, so you don't have to keep switching it up. You're going to make a post today and you're going to post it and upload it to each of them, and you're going to redirect all that traffic back to your main page. And that's how you're going to grow your business.